switch to a 1x optic this time around.
Alright, wish my fucking sights would show up.
Let's do it!
Are they not showing up again?
Yep.
Nope. Oh wait, I got him now.
I'm gonna try to stick with you. Here, I got these guys. You ready for this?
Yep.
I need to reload!
Securing room.
Oh, that was dope, dude.
Do you love it?
Yeah, that was
'Cause
tight.
I love it. Changing side, dude.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
Door room. Door room. Car room.
Clear.
I'm watching the door. I'm watching the archway now.
I do believe we're clear on that one for now.
Alpha secure!
This fucking smoke, bro.
Pretty far off from you because I was resupplying.
Shit!
Alright, come here.
Hey, hey! Hey! I'm reloading!
Point, come up. Dig it! We gotta hold it!
You guys
Let me know where that truck is.
Coming from the southwest.
Truck down.
I just shot the driver in the face. I looked to the west.
Good shot. I need to turn that guy out. I can barely hear him.
Knock off to the last one.
I'm happy I was able to actually do my job and get rid of that truck pretty quickly. That poor fucking guy.
Yeah, he had no choice or chance right there, dude.
There was 4 of us taking pot shots at him.
Station, this is Observer. Getting Warlock. Over.
Station, we're sending him.
Clear!
Get away from that smoke. Oh man! Dig it like that!
Whoa! Whoa!
Enemy on Delta!
You alright?
Yeah!
He did say stay away from that smoke.
Yeah, he wasn't not fucking kidding. Dude, this is so intense. God damn. Oh!
Hey! Hey! I'm loaded!
Reload, reload. Fuck! Why they made the smoke so goddamn thick?
Check reloading!
Fuck!
Are you guys getting taken out?
Son of a bitch!
Yeah, this is getting heavy, bro.
We're good.
Changing my name.
I know, as soon as it's over, they all run away like pussies. Oh, lose your
Alright,
heads, boys.
Catch up to you now.
It's all good. Don't worry about me.
We're working on Echo.
Alright, I'm on you.
These guys ain't got shit.
Artillery. This target.
Shit, that might have been a little too close to the building, but I would just stay away from the building.
At least he warned us. You gotta give him that. Most people don't give a fuck. They just like let you figure it out.
Watch it, never mind. It's on the fence, so we should be good.
Just pray. Oh my god!
Yeah, watch that back. I gotta watch this way because they're doing the same thing over here.
Loading.
I'm watching your back. I'm watching your back.
I'm loaded.
Get him.
There were like 8 dudes. Look at all these fucking bodies!
Suicide.
Oh, down. Dead. Yeah, I'll find you one way I was looking at.
Round extended, you guys are good to go. Station out.
Oh, how did you not get that second guy?
Okay. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I shot him right in the face.
Fuck, come to me real quick.
Damn, I suck
Stay away
ass.
from the northwest side building.
That's fucking coming.
I like semi-auto more than fully auto.
I've actually been using a auto. Then again, I'm also using a 1-time. Did you clench your butt cheeks?
Fuck!
Changing.
Pushing the full. Okay, wow, we actually fucking survived that. Fucking Jesus Christ, dude!
The building's secure.
Dude! This shit's fucking so gnarly.
Oh man, they hit like that!
Dude, what?
Truck coming in.
Oh, shit!
Try.
Damn, now we start over.
Yeah, they suck.
Life is
Straight
a
real quick. Stand
highway.
back, DuskY.
Observer, this is station. We're sending them.
I think they're hitting the,
Yeah, they are. I heard him. I heard him.
Inbound, going hot.
I stayed back so I don't get hit by it.
Firing.
He's gonna strafe it.
Yeah, we got a curve. Fuck, that's loud.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh shit. I don't know where I'm getting shot at from. Don't go in the next room, don't go in the next room.
Okay, copy.
Alright, you're clear.
Roger that.
I blew up 3 dudes.
Tossing an incendiary.
Alright, we got the back or the whole building locked down for the most part.
Need a resupply.
Jesus.
I like being demolition. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, blowing shit up. Is that your calling?
Yeah.
Some of the things I live through, dude, I literally am just blown away by. What? How many fucking dudes can take a 5.56 to their head and walk away like it didn't happen? Please. Like, come on.
I'm in Charlie, guys.
Thanks for not capping me.
Yeah. I thought about it just cause, but, you know, can't be doing that shit.
West,
Guys, incoming!
Roger.
Sharks coming in. Demo guy still?
Yeah, I'm here. Where's he?
Not sure yet, I just southwest. It's always the southwest.
I got our back door covered.
That was a bad time to flick.
We lost Charlie, you guys.
Oh,
Again.
copy.
I like that.
Got
Doesn't
one
like
shot
that.
that guy right in the head. Got my accuracy back on this.
Observer, this is station. Copy. Stand by for rolling.
Right there.
Got his ass. Alright, moving in.
Rocket.
Moving in.
I can't deal with little rocket support from downtown.
Working on Alpha.
I'm making my exit.
I got my side clear.
Lock out.
Over there.
Yeah. All right. Well, he's all finished. Station out.
Copy that. Dang.
Alright, stay under me.
Gotta love when you hear the little pitter patter of their feet, huh?
Yeah, it helps.
Oh, that was a butt clench.
Yeah, I'm with you, right behind you.
Oh, fuck.
I got him. I got you covered. He dead. Both of them are dead. There's another one. He down. Shoot that rocket.
Oh, it's a destruction, okay.
Stand back and call some explosives on Charlie. Stand back.
If you can't tell, I'm new to the game.
You're doing well. This game is so addictive, dude. This is like my most played game in my Steam library. I have like 200 hours on it. It's pretty bad, actually.
This game's got a long way to go to reach that point for me. When I got 800 hours in other games.
Because you're a nerd.
Stand back, let's go wide left from the southwest. Those around are called in the north, so we got nothing to worry about.
I'm coming in.
Stay away from the north, Cliff. Do not go up that road. Come to the left towards us.
All right, Delta's been secured.
We have contact.
Fucking. Oh my god, dude, I'm so tired of this shit.
Take their spot again.
Yeah.
Get Warlock to strike this target.
I have to be careful because they come from my left too.
Alright, Cliff, watch that door. I'm gonna watch that hutch.
Oh shit!
Oh god!
You're so lucky. You're so fucking lucky, Ryan. You did not just die.
The fire is keeping me out of my spot.
It's all good.
Oh, I'm dead. Coming from the room.
Just ask, okay? Station out.
I hear him.
No one's left.
Getting the fuck out of there right now.
Asshole.
Yeah, that's what I needed to watch for, along with the spot I was watching.
Yeah.
It really is a 3-man spot.
Damn it!
Did that guy just beat you over the head with his gun?
Pretty sure. 2 kills away from 100. I've almost doubled everybody's kills, dude. What the fuck?
Push.
Strafe is called on our north side.
Everyone, hey, what's
Yo, let's get in here. Let's clear this building.
Dumbasses, man. Fuckers running force, huh? Good. He's getting strafing.
Clear.
Yep.
Hold on.
everybody upstairs. We got people to spare for downstairs.
Yeah, we need like half the team downstairs, half of them upstairs.
I'm dead. I had no one helping me.
Taking back shot!
Gun run complete. Station out.
There's the truck.
We need a socket.
Fuck! Smoke the fuck out. Yeah, stay away from the southwest. The fucking rockets might hit. Stay away from openings.
You might want to get cover. There's artillery coming down.
Whoa! Stop doing the crazy.
I would stay away from that opening.
All right, gunship coming.
Yeah, that side you're looking at right now, stay away from all openings on that side.
Copy. I'm gonna get in this corner.
Cover me.
Oh shit! Your fucking rocket launcher's sitting there.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah, my bad.
Can't be in here when there's smoke in here. I can't see shit.
Hit. We're done. Exiting. Assassin out.
All right, we got you. Thanks.
Did you pick up my rocket launcher?
No.
Hey, this is Cleric. I'm on site.
Sounds like a here.
Taking back shot!
One coming stairs.
Engaging.
They probably can't hear me.
This is nuts.
Enemy back shot!
Yeah, you only got one guy helping you. He's just staying on the stairs, so he's not really watching any doors.
Just run. Let us know if you need anything else.
Nice. Good job.
112 kills, goddamn.
Yeah, buddy.
Are you stand DuskY?
Wait, what?
Okay, should be good and smoky now. Have fun.
What did he say?
Station out.
I didn't hear him.
Yeah, there's too much explosions going off in the background. He said something about.
He was asking you something, but
Yeah.
you had to, like double everyone else's kills.
I literally did. Yeah.
Lately I am busy all the time. Love's a heartbreak, think I will be fine. Always on the strongest weed around. In the studio I will be found. I am busy being me, I am